Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll do a camera comparison between Mi Mix 4 and iPhone 12 Pro Max. We all know that iPhone has a class-leading camera, but Xiaomi's new smartphone also promises an impressive camera. So let's see how both these smartphones compared in real-life scenario. Let's see some sample images and videos shot from both these smartphones. In terms of photos, both have an excellent camera, but I feel iPhone's pictures are slightly better here, with sharp details and also colors. In some pictures, iPhone does struggles with a yellowish tone. In terms of selfie camera, iPhone is a clear winner. It has better details and sharpness. On the other hand, Xiaomi looks quite soft and lacks detail. The portrait shots on both the smartphones looks good. When shooting outdoor, again iPhone has a better dynamic range and sharper details compared to Xiaomi. Xiaomi definitely has an advantage when zoomed in, as it can digitally zoom in 50x times. In fact, up to 10x zoom, Xiaomi is a clear winner. Apple has to bring some advancement in the coming iPhone 13 for zoom-in shots. "108 megapixel pictures was slightly more sharper in Xiaomi than the normal pictures, but the difference is not so huge. In terms of videos, iPhone definitely has an edge, but unfortunately because of its HDR video turned on, I'm not able to show you side-by-side video comparison. But you can see here how does video recording looks in Xiaomi smartphone. This is video recording between Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Both are recording in 4K 30 frames per second. The 4K 30 frames per second video was decent and the stabilization was spot on. Xiaomi is slightly cropped in. This is 8K 24 frames per second video recording from Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. The 8K 24 frames per second video was also good, but will definitely look better on a gimbal. iPhone 12 Pro Max cannot shoot in 8K, so I'm just shooting it standalone with Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. Let me know in the comments below how do you find the video quality and also the stabilization. The 1080p video from the front camera was slightly on the softer side. This is 4K 60 frame per second video recording between iPhone 12 Pro Max and Xiaomi's latest Mi Mix 4. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 can also record in 8K. 4K 60 frame per second was also impressive. One more important thing to note here is the smartphone became very hot while shooting 4K and 8K videos. In fact, I had to switch it off a couple of times, while iPhone did not face any such issues. So what do you guys think? Which camera performed better in your opinion? Kindly share your opinion in the comments below. Overall, Xiaomi has an impressive camera, and it's safe to say that the Mi Mix 4 is a great addition to smartphone photography. Well, that's it for this camera comparison, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.